Oh yeah! We got it! We got it! We got it!
We got it! We got it! We got it! We got it! We got it! We got it!
Hi guys! Welcome to Let's Go Coco! Hi guys! Welcome to Let's Go Coco! Today we're doing unboxing a 3-in-1 thing. So look, these are the stuff you can make this and this one. So let's open it. Wait, what? Okay, reminders. Make sure you don't let anybody do this without their parents. I'm already grown up. I can do this. Oh, first up, bags. Oh no! I got the creative bag. I have to pour everything out. Good thing I brought these two cameras. They could be very helpful. Look, we can open these cameras, then store them inside. Good thing. First, I don't want it to burst. Oh, wow, look. Oh no. Here are the pieces. Okay, these are for big. I'm putting them in the glass pane, so you will not get confused if it's big or small, so you will know which one to pick. Here, I finally found the instructions. Here. Oh, there's more to collect. Wow, a jet, a car, wow, a dragon, a race car. Whew. Guys, you want to know how I started my videos and who inspired me to do this? Guess first. My dad. He makes videos. So I started to make other videos like him. So first, let's see what will happen if we build the first deck. Okay. We're gonna be making a boat. Okay. First, we need okay, we're gonna need what? It's here. Look. Sneaky, sneaky. Okay. This is how it looks like. Oh no. White. Got white. Put it here. Okay. 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 Looks like this. Oh, it's hard. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It looks like we're gonna need, what is this? We put it on here. We're gonna make, and then we're gonna make another one. Where is it? I'm gonna close this hatch. It's hard. Here. Now, like this, snaps and this. Ooh, see? Put it here and here. Okay, this, it's this. Wow, what a quick find. Ooh, here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Step 11. Hee yeah. Okay, let's do this. What are we now? 18? Okay, next page. And look how it's going. It's going good. What now? Okay, we need this. Is there another one? Where is it? Daddy, can you help me? 22. Wait, I have to go downboard. Are you even kidding me? Okay, here we go. We're doing this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is hard. Oh no. Now it's time for this one. There, it covers it. Ooh. Now good. Lock it big. Lock it sassy. Lock it big. Okay. We're done. Guys, look at it. The boat. Oh, does it look cool or what? Huh?
Look the same?
Yeah, this is my first real build. I lost all of my Legos, But this one is my favorite from all. Look, you could do like this. It looks like the wind's blowing it. Look. This is so cool. The toy we're playing is good and also dangerous at the same time. Cool. Can you please make your parts less sharper? Because this could like hurt kids. Okay? Like, this is a good quality toy. Kids, if you're hoping for a big size, I don't know if it's big or small, just wait and see. Be patient. This toy is for ages 6 and above. Make sure mostly don't let babies play with this, because this is what they will do. That and they will put it even in, they will choke. I'm also building in the same time actually. I'm building the plane. Be careful, kids. These blocks might hurt you. And don't chew them, obviously. It's very yucky and very dangerous. So always listen to me. Not really all the time, but yeah, sometimes. Be careful. Kids, please don't do it. If you do it and you get hurt, I'm gonna feel so sad for you. You don't want that to happen? Okay. So take care of yourself, kids. Please obey your mother and father. This instruction book is easy for other kids but hard for me, I guess. Kids, make sure you put effort in your building because it's hard. I'm doing my best.
A few moments later.
Finally, I'm done. Guys, I'm done. Look. Did it by myself. Nobody helped me on building this thing. I built it by my own. It took me 30 minutes to make this airplane. It looks so cool. I'm keeping this. Guys, I'm sorry. We can't make this one or this one. This one. I'm gonna keep it like this. It looks so cool. Look. It can be boosters. Hi guys, you have fun? Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Peace. Comment down below what you want me to unbox next or send it to me. We will unbox it and review it here on Let's Go Coco.